about COVID-19 and how to protect yourselves about it, according to the CDC. Coronavirus, or COVID-19, is an illness caused by a virus that can spread from person to person. The virus that causes COVID-19 is a new coronavirus that has spread throughout the world. COVID-19 symptoms can range from mild or no symptoms to severe illness. You can become infected by coming into close contact, about 6 feet or 2 arm lengths, with a person who has COVID-19. COVID-19 is primarily spread from person to person. You can become infected from respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks. You may also be able to get it by touching a surface or object that has the virus on it, and then by touching your mouth, nose, or eyes. There is currently no vaccine to protect against COVID-19. The best way to protect yourself is to avoid being exposed to the virus that causes COVID-19. Stay home as much as possible and avoid close contact with others. Wear a cloth face covering that covers your nose and mouth in public settings. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. The best way to practice social distancing, according to the CDC, is buy groceries and medicine, go to the doctor, and complete banking activities online when possible. If you must go in person, stay at least 6 feet away from others and disinfect items you must touch. Get deliveries and takeout and limit in-person contact as much as possible. If you are sick, stay home, except to get medical care. Avoid public transportation, ride sharing, or taxis. Separate yourself from other people and pets in your home. There is no specific treatment for COVID-19, but you can seek medical care to help relieve your symptoms. If you need medical attention, call ahead. Everyone is at risk of getting COVID-19. Older adults and people of any age who have serious underlying medical conditions may be at risk for more severe illness. For more information, visit the website www.cdc.gov/coronavirus. Thank you.